Hi there, Laura here. Now today I have been inspired by Julie from Skater True. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name right, Julie. She was doing a project pan called Pour Some Sugar Onto Me, and basically it had a whole lot of dates and different things like Carrot Cake Day, World Nutella Day, stuff like that. And on the 19th, which is today, was Chocolate Mint Day, National Chocolate Mint Day. And that really appealed to me because I love chocolate mints, and my favourite ice cream is chocolate chip mint ice cream. And so I thought I'd do a look inspired by that today, because when I was driving my daughter to school this morning, and being in New Zealand, I didn't expect to hear anything about it, but on the radio they mentioned it was Mint Chocolate Day. So then I was like, I have to do something for it then. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing a look inspired by mint chocolate chip ice cream. And I wanted to show you the green colour, if I can figure out how to open the ice cream. So, because it's not a very bright colour, it's almost a blue. Like it's almost more of a turquoise, but it's a light green. So I'm going to try a look inspired by ice cream. Now I'm going to go put the ice cream back in the freezer because it's 10:30 in the morning. It's a bit too early for ice cream for me at the moment, but I'll definitely have some tonight. And I was also watching Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner this morning, and I came across her video called 3 Looks 1 Palette, the Blush Tribe times Paulina collab with Lisa Lobotomy, and she was doing this wing here. I'll just show you what she was doing. Hang on, here we go. She was doing this wing here for hooded eyes, which I thought was really interesting, and I wanted to give it a try because I like the look of it. And she explained it really well. She explained it the most simply that I've seen a wing explained for a hooded eye. But she said she was just learning how to do that as well. It was only the second time she'd done it. So they say if you want to learn something well, teach it to others. So I'm going to be inspired by chocolate chip ice cream and wings. So I'm just going to get started. So I've got my eyebrows on and my eye primer on already. Now I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 palettes here, but I probably won't use them all, but I was trying to find the right colour. This shirt was just about the right colour for mint chocolate chip ice cream. So I was trying to find things that would go with the mint chocolate chip look. It didn't have to be mint chocolate chip ice cream because it was just mint chocolate day, but because mint chocolate chip ice cream is my favourite, I decided to do that. Now I'm just rambling, so because I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. So I'm going to start off with the wing because I just want to get the basic shape, and then if I make a mistake I can rub it out and do it again because I haven't done a wing quite like this one before. So I might refer to Annette's channel just to check how she is doing it through the video, and I'm not going to talk while I do the wing because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to use my brow pomade for this because I want to do a brown wing for the chocolate part, and I have no idea if this is going to work for my wing because I don't have any liquid brown eyeliner. All I've got is a pencil, and I know I'm not going to get a sharp enough edge on that. And I'm going to do this first to get the basic outline, and then I'll tidy it up after I've done more of the shadow. So she says, which is the way I do my little wings, is you join it up with the bottom lash line and go up, which is what I do for my hooded eyes anyway. And you have to be looking straight up. I don't think my mirror is quite high enough. Hang on. I have to stick it on a tissue box or something so that I'm not looking down at all because I need to be looking straight ahead. So you're going to see the mirror. Never mind, can't be helped. Hopefully the camera won't try and focus on the mirror instead of me. So draw it so that you're drawing in line with your bottom lash line. And where the hood is, it's very faint, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but that's fine because I don't mind if it's just a faint line for now. So I don't want to lift up my eye at this stage, because the problem with hooded eyes is when you try and do a wing, you end up with a smile line. When you lift your lid, you end up with it curving upwards, which is not what we want. I have a feeling I did that too thick. Which is why I'm doing it first, so that I can get the idea. Didn't I say I wasn't going to talk through this? So that's about as straight as I can get them. I didn't do too badly. Wasn't as hard as I thought, but I did, as you can see, I did take it off on this side because this side was a lot higher than this side, so I tried to even it up a bit. So now I'm going to get on with the rest of the look. And what am I doing? I have no idea. So I am going to go into my Profusion Beauty 101 palette for some browns, because I have browns in there, and since that's my palette, it'd be silly not to use it. And I'm going to go into this warm transition colour. Seems to be what I do most of the time when I'm using this palette. Smaller brush. I'm going to go into this chocolatey matte here. I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit. That matches that colour there really well, so I know I can use that colour to go over my eyeliner. And now get my mini palettes and find the one I want. I'm going to go into my Enchanted palette, and I'm going to get this green here. I'm going to use a flat brush, so it's just my BYS concealer brush. That's so mint chocolate chip ice cream. I was afraid that one might be too green, but doesn't that just say chocolate chip ice cream to you? It does to me. It's funny because I love chocolate chip ice cream. I hate chocolate ice cream. So, I love chocolate. Hate chocolate milkshakes. Hate chocolate ice cream. But I love chocolate. And now I think I'm going to go into my NYX Love You So Mochi. I'm going to get this colour here, which is kind of a light turquoise, really. So shiny. My eldest daughter borrowed this palette when she was all here over the holidays. She said, "Oh, can I have this palette?" And being the mum I am, I said, "Sure, you can have that palette." But and she didn't take it with her, so I'm using it. It was just sitting in her bedroom, and that's where I am filming again now since she's not here. Now, I don't really know what I'm doing, so that's why there will be lots of pauses while I figure it out. I'm going to go into my Chi Freedom palette and get this colour here. This is a matte colour. And go back and get some more of the green out of the Enchanted palette. Okay, I definitely love that green. Got a bit of green where I didn't want it there. Going back into my transition colour. Okay. I think I'll use some of my Australis Metal AF in Emerald, which looks like this. And I'm going to put that in a third there. It looks quite blue in here, but it's actually, it does reflect quite greeny yellow. So that fits in nicely with that. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and do the rest of my chocolate chip inspired, mint chocolate chip inspired look. Okay, I'm ready to do my bottom lashes now. So I'm going to actually go over my liner with some brown first. So I need a little brush. I'm just using this little Flawless Beauty Lip Define brush. So it's just a little flat brush with a flat top. And I'm going to go back into that brown that I used in my crease, which is that one down there. And I thought might match my eyeliner quite well. I'm going to use my little wee brush. This is just actually a paint brush. It's a 000 little round paintbrush, because I can get a nice point on that one. And I've actually should have used that one before, because I've got a bit of a curve there now. Never mind. I'm going to go in with my green LA Girl Glide On liner in Limelight. Go in back into my Chi Enchanted palette and get that green there. Then another little wee brush. And go over that colour. Then I'm going to get some of my brown pencil. And I'll put that under the green. Brown powder to go over that. And then I'm going to go back into my next palette and get that turquoisey green there to put in my inner corner. Just going to have a go with my BYS palette. I can open it. And I'm going to try, I think, this colour here. See, it's just a little bit greener. The one was a bit too blue. That's what that's looking like so far. Now if I had some green mascara, I'd probably put that on my bottom lashes, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use black. So I'll do that and come back, and I'll also tuck mine. Now onto my lips, I think. So I'm going to start off with my Wet n Wild, what's this one called? Brandywine lip liner. I just going to take the lip gloss off first, otherwise it won't drop. I'm going to get my lip gloss. So I went in first with that Chi palette, green from the Enchanted palette, and now I'm going to go into the next palette and get that other turquoisey light green. And there is my mint chocolate inspired look. And my one's inspired by mint chocolate ice cream. So I hope you all get to have some mint chocolate on the 19th of February, which is today for me. And have a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.